All right, let's solve this Olympiad question. 2 raised power x plus 1 plus 2 raised power x is equal to 96. I will apply the law of indices, which says a to power m plus n is equal to a to power m dot a to power n. This simply means that 2 raised power x plus 1 is the same thing as 2 raised power x dot 2 raised power 1, which is the same as 2 dot 2 raised power x. Now this changes the general equation now to 2 dot 2 raised power x plus 2 raised power x is equal to 96. You will notice that both terms have a common factor, which is 2 raised power x. So if you factorize, you have 2 plus 1, 2 raised power x will be equal to 96. Because 2 to power x is common at this point and also common here, so we factorized and we got this. Adding this together, we have 3, which is 2 plus 1 dot 2 raised power x is equal to 96. Now from here, I will divide both sides by 3 in order for 2 raised power x to stand alone. So this will be 3 dot 2 raised power x divided by 3 will be equal to 96 over 3. If this cancels this, you have 2x, 2 raised power x to be equal to 3 in this, which is 32. I will express 32 as a power of 2. 2 raised power 5 is the same thing as 32. Alright, so from here we have 2 raised power x will be equal to 2 raised power 5. Now using the law of indices that says if a raised power m is equal to a raised power n, then m is equals to n. We have that since the base here is the same, we'll compare the power. So x will be equal to 5. This is our this is our solution for x. We can then verify the equation. So substituting our solution into this equation, we have 2 to the power 5 plus 1 plus 2 to the power 5 is equal to 96. Okay, so this 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 5 is equal to 96. All right. So 2 to the power 2 to the power 6 is 64 plus 2 to the power 5, which is 32, equals 96. So this is 96 is equal to 96. This proves our equation. If you're enjoying this step-by-step solution, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one.